We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC 9320 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the toner cartridges. So if you're getting a low toner or replace toner warning, we're going to show you how to replace that toner cartridge and get rid of that air off the screen. So it's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is make sure your printer is turned on and in its normal ready state. And then once it's in its normal ready state, you'll notice you'll still be getting the air telling you to replace toner. It's going to tell you what color toner, so make sure to make a note of which color toners it's telling you to replace. So once you know which ones need to be replaced, you're going to go ahead and open up the printer by grabbing this blue handle in the front. You're going to go ahead and grab that blue handle and lift straight up and lift this top cover until it locks into its open position. And now you're going to go and you're going to find the toner that needs to be replaced. In this case it's my cyan, so I'm going to reach back, find the cyan, and remove the drum and toner from the machine. You're simply going to lift the toner and drum out of the printer. It's very simple. Now you need to separate the toner from the drum. So you notice here on the bottom of the drum there's a little tab. You're going to push down on that tab and the toner will rotate and lift right out of the drum. So now you can set your old toner off to the side. Once you have your new toner unpackaged and ready to go, you're going to take it, you're going to reinstall it into your drum, making sure it clicks firmly down into place. Now anytime you install a drum or a toner, I always recommend using this green sweep on the top of the drum. And all you got to do is take it and you're going to slide it the entire length of the drum. You want to do that 2 or 3 times. And it's just very important when you're done that you park that sweep back where it began. You'll know where that's at. There's going to be 2 little arrows pointing at each other. It's very important that that goes right back to where it's supposed to be. If you leave that anywhere else, you're going to get a large line down your page and you're not going to be happy with your print quality. So very important, you push that all the way back until those 2 arrows are pointing at each other. Once you do that, go ahead and reinstall your toner and drum back into the printer. Now you're going to repeat that for any other colors that need to be replaced. And once you're done, all you got to do is close this top cover. You're going to give the printer a minute or so to initialize and get ready, and then you're good to go. You'll be back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to let us know so we can help supply this for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.